Another great breathing exercise that you can try if you just need a few minutes of downtime is to try circle breathing. Circle breathing can be done in the air, on your desk, or even on your leg if you don't want to do it so anyone else can see. Start at the top of the circle and draw a breath in as you draw your finger around in a circle. Now hold your breath when you get to the top and count to 3. Then breathe out as you draw back around in the opposite direction and complete the circle. You can do this 5 times in a row, drawing a circle on the palm of your hand, in the air, on a desk or a table, or even just on your knee. Let's try it together. Find a place to draw a circle and breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, hold your breath, and breathe out. Let's do it again. Breathe in, draw a circle with your fingertip, hold your breath. Now breathe out, draw the circle back. 2 more times. Draw a circle, breathe in, hold your breath, draw a circle, breathe out. Last time, draw a circle, breathe in, draw a circle, and breathe out. Great job, everybody. Back to learning.